boys, I gotta take 2 seconds and say huge shout out to all the brand new premium members. Welcome aboard, and of course all the OG premium, the current premium members. I appreciate all you guys. That's what helps us do what we do. If you have not signed up, click the link below, check it out. So many awesome freaking things that we put together in this premium membership, including giving away the cars, which is kind of awesome, I think. So definitely check out that button below. Sign up for premium. I promise you'll be glad you did. 100% worth it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we're going to show and install some parts you may or may not have seen. I'm going to say you may not have seen. You definitely haven't seen them installed, but that's what we're going to do. So Alex brought the beast back out today. We got to get her off the trailer and do some cool stuff. Should we show them your new truck, Alex? Yeah, Alex killing me here with this thing. I mean, God bless. Harley 250 lift 37s. This thing is sweet. But we're gonna get this thing off the trailer, get some parts installed. You guys are definitely gonna want to stick around for this. All right, guys, so like I said, we got two parts that we're putting on Alex's car, and both are pretty epic, and you may or may not have heard of them. So back here, you coupe guys, you know, these interior panels, unless your car's like low miles or, you know, totally unmolested, these panels end up kind of being crappy. These aren't horrible in here, but I think we may have had to source these from a couple other cars. But today we're gonna unbox and install a pretty awesome solution to it. The other part is brand new, and there's been quite a bit of buzz all over Facebook and Instagram about them, and that's the little covers here that kind of close in this gap behind your headlights and where your hood closes and all that. So we're going to install that too and see what we think about them. I mean, an engine bay like this, it's got to look epic. All right, let's see what this thing looks like. Not bad. Now this is the maker's one?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the maker's one. And you can get these in smooth or textured. Alex got the smooth one and then had Kevin take it to the body shop and paint it. There it is. They've got several different options. Like I said, there's a couple companies now that are making them. And they've got a couple different options as far as like where your hood hinge and your latch and all that stuff goes. And then radiator hold down. Isn't it just the radiator hold down?
If you're using a hold down, mine is bolted in, so it don't matter. But
yeah,
you got to use their radiator hold down with this cover.
Ah, okay. Yeah, so you'd have to buy that extra.
Yeah, you got to use it, and you got to change these bolts out right here. Come with it.
Oh, okay.
To keep it from rubbing.
Yeah.
And you got to swap these out.
Oh, do those come with it?
They come with it.
Ah, okay, cool. So yeah, there's a little more to it than just throwing a cover on it.
And you got to pre-pit before you start painting or stuff.
Yeah. Because we looked at most of the cars in here, and these gaps right here at the fenders weren't right, so we had to do a little adjusting. But it looks pretty damn good.
They make it for with or without hood latch.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too, you know, because mine doesn't have it. I'm using the pins and everything, which is cool, you know, that you can customize it, because if you're not running a latch, you don't want a big old hole there unless you have to. Okay, so those kind of hold it down. Here, I'll get down here.
How it set hold. So,
Yeah. Kind of cleans up that bumper hole. Yeah, that's pretty slick. Yeah. Yeah, you kind of need washers because that's a pretty decent sized hole.
and that's not the right ones.
No.
They don't give you those.
Okay. Because that's where your old radiator hold down brackets would go, as those holes there. Maybe. Yeah, you're going to have something.
And they didn't give me bolts to go there. So.
Ah, crap. But I mean, kind of getting up and looking at it, it definitely kind of cleans up this area. Hides everything behind the headlights. And what do you think?
Yeah,
It's not bad, is it? That does look nice there. Stick those to the back so you can't see them. Yeah, that's pretty slick. Alright, so finished product with the last screws in there. We use some Serbinator Auto Design bolt kit parts for those, but
it comes with them, but mine was missing.
yeah, they was missing from that kit. I dig it. And we got Chris in the house. Chris, what do you think?
Cleans it up a lot.
Yeah, definitely cleans it up. Alright, I guess it's time to tear into this ass end here. I will tell you guys, there's several different options with this kit that you can do as far as where you've got your battery, if you've got custom trunk hinges, if you want a stereo, all that. So this kit is pretty much how Alex wanted it, and I'll get that bad boy in there. All right, guys, so out of the box, this is what you're gonna get. And of course, this is the K Designs trunk panel kit. You got all your instructions here, all your hardware right there. I know it's kind of, you're like, what in the world, how's this gonna work? We're about to put it in so you can check it out. All right, first piece going in. We got Kevin supervising. Yep, Kevin's keeping an eye on us, make sure we don't screw up.
I'm just gonna wait till it's sitting somewhere. I'm just gonna take it out and slap it in mine.
I hope you take the whole car, not just trunk kit.
Leave the keys in.
So it comes with a car.
Leave the keys in.
I need the whole trunk, the whole car, bro. Not just trunk kit.
Yeah.
Well, be careful what you wish for. I guarantee somebody would love to have it.
Oh, I guarantee it. There it is. Yeah, going in.
Drive it on down to Memphis. Just leave the keys in it. You ain't got to leave the keys in it.
On to Memphis, I got a tank.
Oh yeah. Very nice. Is this the back piece, Alex?
That goes up behind the seat.
Okay. I need more light. This light. Let's see here. There we go.
Boy, look at that.
Yeah, it's bright now. Yeah, so that goes up against the back side on the seat. All right, going in with the back panels. Let's turn some light on there.
Am I forgetting something?
No?
It said 2 inches. The manual there.
Yeah.
The back panel look like more crap. Oh, okay, I get it. Well, it goes like that. I understand. It was like that. I'm just telling you what it looks like.
Am I missing something?
Yeah, I was missing something big time.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, I was seriously missing something. I'm like, what the?
I took it on to tell you about pre-fitting. I'm like, told you pre-fit that stuff.
We're just test fitting, man.
Yeah.
Just test
It's
fitting.
Velcro. It's test.
Well, I'm telling you, that's a pretty bad Velcro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, it's starting to look at that.
Look, see how it helps? See how help I handed him that.
Yeah, you handed him that. Yeah,
Bam, boy.
man, let me tell you something.
It don't fit now.
No, I'm sorry on the camera, guys. It's all black, so you can't see much. But there's your screws sitting there. Man, oh, that popped up.
Yeah.
There we go.
It's fit, bro.
Yeah, we're just test fitting at the moment. Man, I wish the light would. Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to. Anyway, it looks great. It looks really good.
Anyway, we're gonna get the full effect.
Yeah, stick that down in there. I don't know. Yeah, that's better.
See,
Yeah,
now if he'd mount him a light like I did
Yeah.
on my car, look at that. That looks like, look, I ain't got time to mess with it.
that looks good.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm
it cleans everything up.
I put a little LED strip right up underneath mine.
Did you?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
See, Alex, we just do it like Kevin. We'll have everything figured out. I
Yeah.
love it though.
Yeah.
This truck will never get open unless someone go to the back.
Yeah, that's clean.
That is nice.
That is very nice. It just finishes everything off. All right, guys. So there you go. Two somewhat freshly released parts. I hadn't seen much done on them, and Alex wanted them on his car, so here we are. They look freaking great. Very impressed with that, and the trunk kit looks amazing. Like I said, I wish it would show up better on the camera, but trust me when I say if you're a coupe guy and you want your trunk looking legit, that is definitely the way. He's getting battery mounted. Kevin's gonna order one.
Yeah, I'm gonna order one.
Definitely, I would. If I had a coupe, I'd be all over it for sure. All right, guys. One quick note: we do got our buddy Jason's car back here. He wrecked up 500 miles, so we're gonna pull the break-in fluid out of his brand new TKX. You guys need to go back and check the video out on this car. Super unique, early 90s build. Very, very cool car. We also got the Hanlon shifter for it, so we're gonna swap out, pull that Tremex shifter out and put the Hanlon shifter in, so that's gonna be pretty sweet. Yeah, just a little maintenance on this bad boy. All right, boys, that's gonna be about it for today. I hope you enjoy those new parts. Always try to bring you guys the latest and greatest. If we can get our hands on them, get them in here, because why not? We got to check these things out. It's one thing to see something online and want it, but to see it installed and, you know, see it work, that's a whole nother thing. And we enjoy doing it. So, guys, one other thing. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have a great and safe holiday. And see you on the next one.